Hi friends and welcome back, and now you can see we have done with our first section, and then we easily create our services section, and then we created this progress bar. And now in this video we are going to take look at some other exciting things. So let me show you. And now we are going to create this kind of counter right here. You can see these are very easy to build, and this looks very great. So first of all, let's go back to your website builder again. First of all, let's create a new section, and this time I'm going with 4 columns. And first of all, I'm going to change the section height to minimum of 500 pixels. And let's add a background image, and you can use unsplash.com. So this is the free website. You can use free images from here. So I'm going with some business related images, and let's select okay, I'm going with this one. Right click, save image, and then simply save your image, and then in the background go to edit section, and in the style click on classic and upload your image. Now click on insert media, and now simply change the size to cover. So now we have updated our image, and now let's add a little bit of background overlay. In the background overlay, change the, I'm going with blue kind of overlay now, and I'm going to increase the opacity, and I'm going to change the color something like this. Okay, and now let's select this column right here, and I'm going to the style, and I'm going to change the column color to blue, this one right here. And now in the search widget you can simply search counter. Now you can see we have these two widgets, counter, this one and this one. Basically this is power pack widget, which is comes with this icon, but this is the default counter. We are going to use default counter widget. Simply drag and drop this counter widget right here, and now you can simply, first of all, let's change the style. Go to style, and I'm going to change the text color to white, and in the typography I'm going to change the font to Poppins, and I'm also going to increase the size, and in the title I'm going to change the text color to white and typography to Poppins again. And let me increase the size, and for now I'm going to decrease the line height to 30 pixels or maybe 40 pixels. Okay, and now in the content you can see you have starting number and you have ending number. Suppose I can choose the ending number to 1000, and now this number ends at 1000. And you can also have number prefix, like how many, for example, if I change this one to 100, and this will do something like this. So for now let's change this one to default, and we have number suffix. For example, if I add plus icon, so now you can see we have plus icon right here, and here you can simply change the title. For example, I want change to subscribers or maybe students, and so you can see simply change this ending number to for example, suppose I want to say I have 50k, for I can change the ending number to 50, and then here I can change 50k plus, something like this. So we have number suffix with k plus, and then we have ending number of 50. Now I'm going to copy this one and paste it right here, again paste it right here, and paste it right here. This time I'm going to show the dollar sign, and here I'm going to change the earnings, again 50k or maybe M, and let's add prefix dollar right here. So this is the prefix and this is the suffix, dollar first and then the M, something like this. Again here, for example, 500 clients reviews 10 courses, and I'm going to change this column position right here. Okay, now simply go to this column right here, and I'm going to first of all, in the advance, let's add a little bit of margin with the 10 pixels, and now copy and paste the style. Simply paste style, and also you can simply change the color of these columns. So now you can see how easily we have created this icon list right here, and in the image you can simply change the attachment to fix. So now you can see when I scroll up, the image is fixed. So this is also very cool effect. So hopefully you understand. Now simply update. Now simply click on this update button, and now let's click on this preview changes. And now let's take a look at our website, and when you scroll down, you can see these numbers are animated and the image is fixed. So hopefully you understand how you can create these beautiful sections in just a few minutes.